Welcome to Let's Do This. Today, with all my subscribers out there, I'm going to do a install video, my first ever. So please bear with me and don't laugh too hard. It will be the back part of the Goose Gear platform. I've never done this, and I'm going to show you all the painstaking shit can't say shit, go through. So without further ado, let's do it. So here we have it. Came in a box, and I have a box opener. Let's see what we can do with this. Always make sure you don't cut nothing. There it is.
That's pretty big.
Pack it extremely well, as you can tell. It ain't gonna come damaged till you get a hold of it. There's the platform. I did opt for the passenger side door. This side will have the refrigerator. Hole should already be there for the refrigerator. There's the goose. Don't lose these screws. But first, what we have to do, probably should have done before the unboxing, was rip apart the Jeep. How fun is that going to be? Oh yeah. Here's the hardware. Not sure what's in it, but there it is. One thing really important, always remove stuff so you don't fall over it. Here it is. Honey, will you take this stuff out while I sit down and watch TV? No?
In your dreams.
Alright, so I already started taking these little guys out. There's 6 of them. Obviously, you always want to keep your parts in case you ever want to go back to old stock. Now, I watched a couple different videos on this. and they both were different. One guy tore apart all the interior, another guy left it in. So let's see how this is going to work.
Am I in your way?
So let's see how this fits in before we go any further. And have it backwards. Goes this way. I'm going to have to take the carpet out.
What carpet?
Go ahead.
Huh?
Hit stop.
Okay. It's on.
Okay. After further investigation, there's little clips under here to pop these up. If you ever want to reuse it, be very careful. At least we know the clips are well made. Oh, broke that one.
You broke it?
There's that piece. Let's see. Yeah, a couple of them got damaged. But I don't plan on putting it back, so we're good with that. And a couple of these guys look like they got damaged. Only other question is, do we need this? I don't know. It looks like 3 bolts. I can take this off, because I don't think we need this now. Just for the heck of it. I'll slide this back in to see where it ends up. That's where it goes. And that concludes the install. So it bolts right up over this.
So you don't need to take that piece off then?
It's at an angle, so yeah, we do. I think this needs to go under the carpet. So we've got to take these 3 bolts and remove that piece. And to take those bolts out, we will need a tool. Turn it off. tight. So I don't have a piece where I can hook my sockets to a drill, which I would recommend that. So if you got your Christmas list, hon, go ahead and write that down.
I'm on it. But then you won't need it anymore because you'll be done.
Well, I want to get the other two pieces. Have a 100% platform. This is only the back. The next will be the 60%. And the 100%. I should get my neighbor to come over and do this.
Then that's the front that was going to be more difficult because you have to take out the seats on it.
Yep, I'm loosening the bolts to the seats right now.
Oh.
Maybe we'll just throw them in the backyard. Okay. Where's my little person with my sweating towel? This one's kind of different.
She's watching the camera, sweating as well.
It's only 110 degrees here, folks.
We're not even in the heat of the day yet.
Even my tools are getting sweaty. If you haven't turned this off yet, thank you. I appreciate it. Keep watching for more comedian trying to do something work. And that's gone.
You just dropped a piece down below.
Yeah, no, it's a bolt nut. Maybe this will. Yes, they always fall where you don't want them. All right. Since I probably have to take these back off, you will notice I'm not using Loctite. Just for a little plug, if you want to aim the camera up here, we have this really cool attic, maybe from Blue Ridge Overland. It's really cool. You can adjust it, make it loose, tight, any way you want it. I keep a jacket up here from Blue Ridge Overland. They have all kinds of really cool bags and attics. And all, actually, you name it, tool rolls, everything. So here we are. All we gotta do to finish the Goose Gear platform is throw in these 6 bolts, put this piece on, and screw that down. We're done. To put my refrigerator slide on it, though, means it's not a Goose Gear. It's actually a Dometic. It's gonna require some hole drilling in this. Very scary stuff for me, anyway. And got to pull this back out and make sure we got the holes in perfectly. Anyway, that will be our next video.